Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for RNDR. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows. Multiple rejections acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now here on the monthly, we can go ahead and plot our swing high here and our swing low, which is obvious to spot here on the monthly chart. Now let's go ahead and hop to the weekly so we can see more price action. What do we notice? We see a key level right here with multiple reactions acting as support, and we see resistance right here as well. We can also go ahead and plot on the candle body closes here as price came up, hit, and reversed from this level. Looking at more recent price action, we can go ahead and plot a key level here where we see multiple reactions acting as a resistance. We see resistance around the same area, resistance and support. Now, we can go ahead and plot a key level here. So the price comes up, hit, and reverses drastically with multiple reactions acting as resistance and support. Now let's go ahead and plot our weekly swing high here and take a look at our chart. So these are all the key levels plotted on the monthly and weekly time frame for RNDR. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.